Hello folks, today we are going to see one video where we'll talk about how can we perform our GI reversal after an outbound delivery order has been already, PGI has already been done on that outbound delivery order. So we are going to see the GI reversal scenario in a Fiori application. Okay, so let me quickly start with my EWM PRDI to display PRDO, sorry, PRDO to display the delivery. So this would be my delivery over here. So this delivery, you can see my picking status has been completed. And if I quickly scroll right, I can see my goods issue status also has been completed. And if I can quickly open this delivery in my EWM side, if I can quickly open that in the EWM side as well. So here also you can see what my goods issue has been posted for all four quantities, right? Now what I'll do, I'll quickly reverse the goods issue into the posting. How can I do that? First, I need to go to my outbound delivery over here, right? Once I land up in outbound delivery, I will quickly, just a second, let me copy the document number from here. Quickly key in the delivery number, execute. I'm seeing the outbound delivery order. Here also you can see outbound delivery in the EWM side. I can see the goods issue status has been already completed. What I'll do, I'll first reverse the goods issue. I'll click on reverse goods issue. You can see the reverse goods issue will be completed and the goods issue status not started, right? Now what I'll do, I'll delete the OD in the EWM side, not the OD. Remember, I'll delete the OD in the EWM side and then I'll quickly save it. Yes, I want to save it. I've already saved. Now I'll click go to ODO again and I'll key in the same mod one delivery order number. And as soon as I hit refresh, I can clearly see my goods issue saying not started, but the picking status has been completed. Now what I'll do, I'll perform pick cancellation. I'll go to pick cancel picking. Okay, so this is the application over here. So I'll quickly give in my outbound delivery order number. I see the outbound delivery order. I'll perform release warehouse task and confirm the warehouse task in background. Okay, so I'm getting a warehouse task 2092, 2093. I believe 2093 might not be have been confirmed. So I'm quickly going to my warehouse monitor to check that out. Quickly launch my warehouse monitor. I'll copy this number 2093. I choose the monitor variant as SAP. And as soon as I execute this one, I will go to my documents, warehouse task, and I'll see only open warehouse task. So I can see 2093. I'll select confirm that. As soon as I confirm what I'm doing, I'm moving the stock from GI zone to TAPLB. Right? TAPLB, and I've already moved it. Okay. So it is already moved. Now the cancel picking has been completed. If I come back on the delivery, okay, and if I hit refresh, I see picking status not started. However, my delivery is still showing incomplete because my delivery has a quantity, one quantity that is food. Now what I'll do, I'll zero this out and then save the delivery. How can I do that? Click on edit button, then change the quantity to 0, enter. And then before I save, remember, before I save, I need to click on OD, document created. Then I'll go back and I'll click on save. As soon as I click on save, you see saying outbound delivery got created. And if you scroll right, you can see picking, packing, loading goods. So all the status of the outbound delivery has been completed, right? And if you click on OD also, you can clearly see that the outbound delivery order status says pick, pack, load, everything got getting completed. And in my S4HANA side also, if I go into this, you'll see delivery quantity has been changed to 0. right? And goods movement status showing completed. If I go to my document flow, I'll see reverse of a goods issue, that is 4 quantities, and confirmation of the services saying 0 quantity and the document is completed, right? So in this way, you can ensure that you can perform a goods issue reversal in your Fiori application. That's all for today's video. Thank you all.